What's up you guys, this is Disha Rathod and I'm back with yet another review video of a product, Paradise. This is a bleaching kit. I am bleaching my hair for the first time, not a professional, but taking you through it, that how to bleach your hair at home, and let's see, will it be a win-win situation or a total fail. Let's unpack this. I'm going to show you what we have inside this box. Original unpacking video got deleted, so here I am showing you the used packets what I got from the box. This is the blonde powder, this is the developer. You have to keep a plastic bowl in handy, and this is the brush. The gloves are very necessary, very necessary, because if you're using bleach, it will burn your skin. It's very dangerous to your skin, so don't let it directly get in contact with your skin. So wear these gloves. Keep foil paper in handy too, and a cloth. So all these things you should keep in handy necessarily. Also you can keep a cotton swab and water bowl, so when you have to check the color of your bleach, like in 20 minutes of duration, you can like rub the little part of your hair strand with the cotton and check if the bleach is taking up the color or not. Also keep this tablespoon to measure the quantity of the powder and cream. I have ruined my t-shirt. We'll do this hair strand. Wear your plastic. इसमें प्लास्टिक पहनना ज़रूरी है या नहीं, I don't know, बट मैं तो पहन रही हूँ. This is the whole strand. I'm a duty. प्लीज मेरे कपड़ों पे मत गिरना. Okay. Like nothing is wrong with me. I'm perfectly fine living my life, working on myself, and that kid is annoying me. What? ऐसे कौन It's like my silver jewelry. Like I don't want to do all over my hair, but so this is one part and this is two part. 1:2 ratio, and blonde. Done and dusted. Done. See. Mixing it. Like my mental state is totally fine. I am totally fine. I'm happy, I'm healthy. Just going through with the next situation. That's it. But despite of that, everything is good, great. I am just more of a, like an artistic. Oh yaar, yahan to color aa raha hai. Shit. Ciao. Anyway, so
This little guy over here, I'm going to do it here.
okay, so I washed my hairs and my t-shirt is ruined, but this is the hair I got, which is okay. I'm not even that happy, but I'm not even disappointed. Like, it's fine, it's okay. I want a much more lighter shade like this. I guess I'll reapply the bleach right now. It's 11:30 right now and I'm tired. But I'm going to color my hair. Subscribe to my channel to see the end result. Bye.